Welcome to this video, a day view of our new website. We are Dryer Vent and Duct Cleaning, Ogden, Utah. And we just want to give you an overview of what we do and how you can contact us, and some information about reasons why you should clean your dryer duct. The recommendation is every 1 to 2 years. We do air duct cleaning, dryer vent cleaning, and any vent cleaning service, including outside. You can call this number 801-317-8165 to get a free quote or to ask us any questions that you have. You can get a hold of us Monday through Saturday, any time of day. If it's after hours, you can go ahead and fill out this form on our website. Some of the symptoms that you may have been experiencing or may experience that indicate that you need your dryer vent cleaned are: it takes more than one cycle to dry your clothes, usually more than 45 minutes. You'll notice loud vibrations wherever your dryer duct was installed, whether it be in the wall or going up to through your ceiling to the roof. If your clothes are abnormally hot after one cycle, that's an indication. And if your dryer is actually hot to the touch. If there's a bunch of lint just accumulated around your dryer, and your clothes are damp and moldy after one cycle, those are just a few of the things that indicate you may need our service. Some of the benefits of having your dryer duct cleaned often, like I said, every 1 to 2 years, is you can save money. The national average on your power bill for having a clean dryer duct is $18 to $24 a month. And that's just because there's less wear and tear on your dryer. It's not working as hard to exhaust, and it doesn't run as often. You'll have less dryer repairs that way too, and you'll have to replace your dryer less often. Another benefit is you actually eliminate a fire hazard by having your dryer duct clean. The fact is there are more than 12,000 fires caused in the U.S. every year by clogged dryer vents. You can save time because you won't be sitting around waiting for your clothes to be dried and doing multiple cycles, doing laundry. We're all busy, and I bet there's a lot of other things you can be out doing. You can get a free quote and call our office again at this number. The cost, it varies by the length of the dryer exhaust duct, how many bends and fittings are built into the exhaust. Also, how severely clogged the vent is. Sometimes if it's clogged in multiple places really well, we'll have to do some serious brushing and vacuuming to get it out of there. Another factor that will vary and change the price is whether or not it runs to an outer wall or out of the roof, which will require us to clean the vent from outside. Some of the other services that we provide are: we are able to replace your transition hose from the dryer to the actual duct if it's damaged or disconnected, or if you need some parts. We can install bird guards, and we have those on hand to go outside of your home so that small animals and birds can't build their nests in there. Like I said before, we'll go on your roof or on the exterior wall and clean from there if it's something that needs to be done from out there, if we can't do it inside. And we also provide free video inspection. You can see a live feed of what it looks like in your dryer vent, and then we'll also show you what it looks like after we've cleaned it to give you a peace of mind that we've done our job correctly. Go ahead and give us a call. You can talk to one of our sales professionals, and we'd be happy to schedule an appointment and get it taken care of for you. You can call 801-317-8165 or visit our website at ogdendryerventcleaning.com.